Hey everyone, and welcome to Proctor 360. You know that universal feeling of dread right before an exam? The sweaty palms, the racing heart, and well, these days, that blinking red recording light of a webcam just staring you down. But today we're tackling a really fascinating challenge in the world of education and certification. The guide intro. We're going to dismantle the whole one-size-fits-all myth in exam security, drawing directly from a comprehensive guide published by Proctor 360. Transforming the assessment landscape. We're diving into exactly why rigid systems are failing institutions and how a highly customizable is literally transforming the entire assessment landscape. Strategic video roadmap. Okay, here's our roadmap for today's journey. We'll start with the assessment dilemma, break down total view technology, explore the 5 pillars of proctoring, look at technical implementation, and finally, wrap up with future trends in testing. Section 1, the assessment dilemma. Can one size fit all? So let's just cut right to the chase. Can one single proctoring solution realistically fit all? I mean, think about the huge spectrum of assessments happening across the world right now. The testing extremes. On one end, you've got a simple, low-stakes weekly pop quiz for a freshman biology class. And on the exact opposite end, you have a high-stakes, career-defining professional certification exam. Flawed rigid tools. Does it make sense to lock down and monitor both the exact same way? Absolutely not. Using one rigid tool for vastly different scenarios is a fundamentally flawed strategy. The over-proctoring burden. First, you end up over-proctoring simple tests. Imagine the unnecessary anxiety a student feels when subjected to a full room scan and biometric facial tracking just to take a 5-point syllabus quiz. Under-securing vulnerabilities. But if you apply a lighter touch across the board just to save money, you end up under-securing critical evaluations. Section 2, Total View Technology Explained. We're moving way beyond basic monitoring here. To solve this assessment dilemma, the answer points straight to true customization. True customization is way more than a webcam switch. It requires a sophisticated platform that fine-tunes the monitoring process across 4 key dimensions: identity verification, environmental control. Third, behavioral parameters, adjusting how sensitive the AI alerts are for background noise or eye movement. And fourth, human oversight, choosing between automated live-human or hybrid review. Bespoke safety implementations. You're basically designing bespoke security for every single scenario. Now, to perfectly execute this, Proctor 360 uses their patented 360-degree total view technology. The webcam blind spot. And this tackles a huge vulnerability in standard exam security, the webcam blind spot. Look, standard webcam only see what's directly in front of them, right? The dual capture solution. Total View fixes this by combining a standard front-facing webcam feed with a secondary device feed, like the student's own smartphone positioned behind them, or even a dedicated 360-degree camera. Environmental integrity enforced. By capturing the entire room all at once, it completely eliminates those physical blind spots where unauthorized material hide out. Over 20 adjustable parameters. To make all this customization actually function without the whole system collapsing, you need a highly configurable infrastructure. High-volume server scaling. Plus, this architecture is specifically designed to maintain stability during massive peak periods. This system is built to scale smoothly without the servers crashing. Section 3. 5 proctoring pillars. Alright, Section 3, the 5 pillars of proctoring for effective customization. Moving beyond just the raw technology, we really have to look at the strategic framework. Security configuration, calibrating safety limits directly to data stakes. Accessibility options, integrating custom overrides for extra time or screen readers. Integration protocols, embedding tech directly inside tools like Canvas or Blackboard. Scalability nodes, building cloud delivery architectures that prevent crashes. Analytics metrics, using reporting validation tools to refine safety choices. Section 4, technical implementation. Let's look at how this actually works in practice. How do schools actually roll a tailored solution like this out? Profiles and workflow integration. Implementation happens in 4 structured steps. First is profile creation in the admin dashboard. Next is workflow integration, hooking those profiles to the LMS. Pilot testing and optimization. Third is pilot testing, running small-scale simulations just to catch any glitches or dial in the AI sensitivity. And fourth is ongoing optimization, where you regularly review analytics. Eliminating automated false flags. Have you ever been falsely flagged by an automated system? Like when your bank freezes your credit card because you bought groceries in a new town. It's so frustrating. The whole point of that ongoing optimization is reducing those false positives while maintaining a staggering 99.5% integrity rate. That number is huge, working flawlessly without causing anxiety. Section 5, future testing trends. And finally, Section 5, future trends in testing, the evolution. As remote learning just keeps growing, the future of proctoring has to evolve to become way less intrusive and significantly smarter. Natural fatigue parsing. We're going to see a big jump in AI precision, where machine learning actually gets sophisticated enough to tell the difference between a student naturally looking away because they're stuck versus suspicious behaviour. Privacy-first mandates. And digitally, we'll see a massive push toward privacy-first customization. I really want to pause on this quote because it totally flips the script. Customization is actually a privacy feature. Data minimization execution. When you can customize, you collect only the exact data necessary. You can set automated deletion schedules for video recordings and easily ensure strict compliance with regional privacy laws like GDPR. The final evolutionary step. So based on everything from Proctor 360's framework, ask yourself this: is your current assessment strategy actively protecting reputation while respecting candidate privacy? True customization is a necessary evolution. Thank you for watching.